Hey guys, Terry Brighton here from Brighton Racing in Wingham, Ontario. I have another small block stroker on the stand here today. This one here just might go to Jeff in Penridge, Pennsylvania. He's thinking about it and he just said he needed a video, so now I'm going to make the video for him and everybody else to see that's interested in one of these. Anyways, this one here is a 71 340 block that's been bored 40 over. It has the IC 9978 pistons in it. With the trick flow heads, it works out to 10.97 to 1. It has the Eagle Forge 4340 crank, Scat rods with the ARP 2000 bolts. The cam I tried in this one for the first time was an Edelbrock Rolling Thunder, and the part number is 2213 for the cam. As far as the rest of the stuff, it's windage tray, high volume oil pump. I'll put the information in the description anyways for the build. As far as the estimate, I would estimate 550 or a little more for horsepower and close to the same for torque. So let's start this thing up and see how it sounds. Try to keep my finger off the mic. Well, there's that 340 418, and I might have another few coming up on the market here right shortly as well. A couple of stock built 340s, a 408 with trick flows, and that's that 318 390 with the trick flows that made 535 horse and 535 torque. So hit me up if you are interested. Thanks. Have a good one.